and I'm going to make this as easy as possible for any beginners or people that's just, you know, running long time. So this is what it looks like. It is a 13 by 6, so like it comes all the way back here, the frontal. It's actually a 360 frontal, but I didn't do anything to the back because I mean obviously I won't be wearing it up in a ponytail. And I have it in a side part. It came from Chinalacewig. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description below, per usual. But yeah, Chinalacewig, y'all. This is the best pre-made wig I have ever received. When I say I live by this, like I'm gonna insert some pictures. I went on vacation. I'm gonna insert some pictures of when I wore my hair, like right now. Yeah, so as y'all can see, it was bomb.com. I just literally just put this together in a few minutes and put it on. And this video is just gonna show y'all how I put this wig on. But y'all, this wig is the bomb. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. I barely plucked the frontal, but I'll go ahead and insert the video of how I, you know, customize my frontals anyway. But yeah, y'all, this is lit. This is lit. It's really lit. And the hair is gorgeous. And I believe this is like 22 inches, but it comes curled. So it's like, it come curled already. So I really just, the first days, like when the pictures I'm going to show y'all when I wore, only thing I like curled this part. I didn't even curl the rest of the hair, but now these are like little loose wand curls I just did. So yeah, y'all, this hair is bomb. Please check them out. You're not gonna regret it. Like, I love this wig. This is the best pre-made wig I've ever gotten. But yeah, let's get into the video.
Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with an old ponytail, just finger combing my hair back and putting a stocking cap over it. And just pulling it back for where it won't be seen when I put my wig on. This is just to flatten out my hair. You can flatten out your hair or put it in a ponytail however you want to do it. I'm just doing this because this is the way I like to do it. But, you know, if you braid it down or whatever, it will lay flatter. So I'm just showing you the 4 combs, one behind the frontal, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. And obviously, as I told you before, it's from Chinalacewig. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. I put it as tight as it can be because I have a little pea head. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. And I'm coming up looking like a crazy person. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and fix it and put everything into place. And this is where the easy part that I was telling you about comes in. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush it out. But what I'm going to do is lift it back and put my got to be glue on one small section of it. So usually you see people do it across the whole top. Well, since I'm only going to have it in the side part, I'm going to only do the side part of it because what people don't tell you is frontals don't last very long. So it's just best to do it in whatever style you plan on wearing it in. So if you plan on doing it in the middle part and your sides won't be showing, you just go ahead and gel down the middle. Or if you plan on wearing a side part and you only plan on showing the sides, then you just gel down the sides. You don't have to do the whole frontal if you're not going to be wearing the whole frontal. No one's going to see the whole frontal. So anyway, I'm just going to be parting my hair out to make sure that it looks more natural. So I'm going to be parting my hair out under the part that I already have in the wig and just laying my hair on top of that and sticking it down and sticking my sideburns down, which I'm going to have to stick down again. Though that's the hardest part of the frontal. Then I'm going to comb that down and put my scarf on to stick it. And I'm going to leave that for about 10 minutes instead of blow drying it. And I'm going to come to y'all after that dries. Okay, so now that that's done drying, I'm going to pin my hair back and begin to do my baby hair. But first, I'm going to just use my curl wand to flatten down the part. I also use some Lotta Body and I'm probably going to use some more. So yeah, I'm just going to do that to flatten down the part so I won't be sitting up. And then I'm going to use some of my makeup on a brush and go ahead and turn that lace more into my skin tone. I did this when I first wore it, but I actually washed the makeup off before this use, so you might notice that the hair looks a little wet. It's because it is wet, because I washed this part of the wig before putting it on, before recording this video. So I'm gonna just go ahead and comb down the baby hair that I already made on this wig, and I'm going to use some mousse and some got to be glued to put it into place. So I'm gonna first use mousse to do it, just to get it into place, because you don't want it to get too hard too fast until you get it how you want it to. So I use the mousse to basically lay down the foundation of how I want my baby hair to be, and once I got it the way that I want it to be, then I go ahead and go over it with the got to be glued to harden it and make sure that it lasts throughout the day. So as I told you before, my sideburns are coming up again, so this is the point where I'm going to stick them down again and put the rest of my hair behind my ear, because I'm going to be using a curl wand to flatten it and to begin putting some loose waves in the hair. So I'm pretty sure you guys know how to use a curl wand already. I'm just going to be doing some loose waves throughout my whole head, and that's really it for the styling.
I've been flexing so damn hard, I put in work. I'ma show these haters how to put in work. If your family needs your nigga, put in work. Out here grinding so damn hard, I'm in the dirt. Your nigga out here eating, put in work, nigga. It ain't no fucking cheating, put in work, nigga. I need to feed the sheesh, I put in work, nigga. Getting money season, put in work, nigga. My mama told me you ain't gotta make it work. Don't you never let these niggas ever see you hurt. They don't wanna see you make it, rather see you hurt. Believe in God and he gon' help you make it work. Been through so much shit, I'm making lose that. Need me a new house so I can cool that. Need me a new whip so I can cruise that. Posted with the gang, you know we pull that. Shout out to my daddy, he a real nigga. Show me more than life than just to kill niggas. Fuck a 9 to 5 cause I can't deal, nigga. I'ma get my own shit cause I can build niggas. I'm branding my nigga, I shine on you niggas, ain't fucking with me. I promise my haters, I know I'ma make it, I swear you gon' see. The streets are so hungry, I know that they really dependent on me. My family's so proud, they loving the person I came up to be. I can't waste no time, I'm always on the go. If you putting in that work, then let these niggas know. It ain't no easy way, hard work is all I know. Yes, I've been the same nigga from the go. I'm flexing so damn hard, I put in work, nigga. I'ma show you say this how to put in work, nigga. If your family needs your nigga, put in work, nigga. Out here grinding so damn hard, I'm in the dirt, nigga. Mama taught me you ain't gotta make it work. Don't you never let these niggas ever see you hurt. They don't wanna see you make